I wanted to show you an automatically generated, automatically published article we created with the Rightmeister tool. This is for a roof care website. All the images were auto-generated. It wasn't that we went in with prompts and said, let's make each image and let's make this article. It's that this entire thing was auto-generated based on the best practices in the book I wrote on search engine optimization called Think Like Google: How to Use SEO and Empathy to Rank, Convert, and Profit, no matter how much they change the rules. It's based on everything I learned running a content business for about 8 years. But what it does is it analyzes the website, and it doesn't just run away and write the article. It first analyzes the website, and then it says, okay, let's see what terms should we rank for. It looks and says, what terms are we currently ranking for? What terms are we currently not ranking for that our competition is ranking for? It does an entire kind of site-wide audit, and then it builds a hub and spoke view, and it builds an answer engine optimization content map where it's targeting a bunch of questions, saying who are your ideal customers, and what are they asking? What questions are they asking along each stage of the buyer journey? And then it's building this beautiful AEO, SEO, GEO content map, and then it's generating content automatically. And it's not just generating the content. You'll notice that there is a CTA right here. That didn't exist this morning. So what we did is the tool went in and it does some tracking, and it looked and it came up with some insights, and it said, hey, you don't have CTAs on the pages. These aren't going to convert. This is a brand new site. We just started indexing in Google 4 days ago, but we're already showing that we're moving the needle. It's saying these are the pages that are ranking. These are the terms that you're ranking for. You can see that some of them we're already ranking in the top 10 for, even though this page just started indexing with Google 4 days ago. You can click around and see like what are the best ones by impressions. You'll notice that the clicks are still 0. So what the tool did is it came up with, and by the way, there are lots and lots and lots of terms that we rank for. We've got 3 pages of terms that we're already ranking for, that we're already getting impressions for. But the tool then says, well, okay, there's some things we want to do to get those engagements higher. So it did a bunch of back-end SEO. It also said, let's look at the pages that are kind of orphaned. Let's look at these ones that are kind of ranking okay, but on the second page or third page of the Google search results. And let's make sure those are interlinked correctly. Let's make sure the SEO juice is feeding. It doesn't just suggest this. It goes into the tool and it goes into the website and it automatically does these things. So these are all the things it did here. And it added, I showed you that CTA a minute ago. It said, really, we should have a CTA right here that they can click, that they can go to a contact us page. We should also have a link on there to the landing pages so that everything is, all the SEO juice is flowing in the right way. So this is a comprehensive tool. And what it does is it looks at a website, analyzes it, says where's it doing well, where is it not doing well, where are the competitors doing well, how should it change to be able to improve, and then tracks it day to day, goes back in and keeps pulling data from Google Search Console, Google Analytics, from the LLMs, from raw Google search, and saying, let's keep putting data points in, let's keep putting data points in, and let's keep adjusting our strategy. So this is a comprehensive SEO package, really a content management package that learns from its own mistakes and that is based on decades of knowledge and best practices. It's really fantastic. We're kind of geeking out about it. We think you might as well. But we'd really like to get your input, get your feedback. Let me know, if you think that there's something missing here, or you think there's something off, or you think you just want to say this looks amazing. Let me know, because we're very excited about this, and would love to hear from you.